And welcome back to another video of Junkyard Truck. As in this video, this truck is still undrivable. So what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild this V8 engine. So let's start off with putting this on this engine stand. There we go. Oh, come on, move this over. What is that? What? Come on. I'm trying to. Do I have to hold it? No. Trying to move it to a spot I can work on it. Like that. Okay. Now, first thing we gotta do is go get some V8 parts. This does run, but it's not running very well. Let's go find the... My door's open. I'll grab a soda. And... let's go to the parts store. If the car starts. And we need oil. Right. This car likes to eat oil. I forgot. Shut that back down. Open the hood. And put some oil in this thing. Maybe I'll get some more oil too. I think I'm going to need it. I'll just throw this in the car. And we need fuel. Okay, let's go get some gas. So what we're gonna need is pistons, heads, crankshaft, and we'll start with those parts. That right there is probably going to wipe out whatever money we do have, all $900 worth. So that's a good starting point. Turn the car off, close the door. Let's see, where's the V8 stuff? That's right here. Oh, right, we need different radiator hoses, intake manifold. Oh boy. This is going to be expensive. So let's start off with the connecting rods. Or not the connecting rods and pistons. Oh boy, this is going to be real expensive. One more piston. I feel like I just bought something, but what? And what else can we get? I can get these hoses. That'll help things out. I can't grab it? There. So we can get an air cleaner. Oh, we gotta get fuel too. Oops. I guess that's all we can get for now. Let's go get our fuel. Dump this off and then we'll go do some work. What? What happened? Did the car... I don't know what happened. I don't know why. I cannot turn this off. I can't drive it when I hit the ignition, but it doesn't turn off either. So we'll just keep going. I don't know if this is working. There it is. I can't hear it over the engine noise. With it constantly running, does this constantly fill? I don't know. Eventually, maybe it'll either run out of fuel and shut off, or maybe it'll start working again. I don't know. Oh, I gotta go pay for fuel. Okay. Oh, food. We need food. That'll probably do it for now. Can of cram. That'll work. And here's the garage. Okay, so first off, let's unload. I do not understand. The car turned off. I don't get it. But let's unload this thing and start getting pieces gathered here. Actually, what we could do is let's start putting these in the engine block, because actually, I don't know if I can. Oh, maybe I can. Yes, I can. Yeah, let's put these in the engine block and save some space. Oop, dropped it. Last but not least, and there it is. Just curious, would this fit? I don't think so. No. Okay, so got the pistons in place. Turn this guy over. It looks funny without the crankshaft. Is that fan pulley? I don't know if we're gonna need that. Stuck in a wall. Let's open that back up and go do a junk run. That'll work. Help things out a little bit. If I can grab onto things. Actually, that fits pretty well. And that'll work. I hope. That started easy. I like that. Oh, I forgot my brakes. There they are. And trash bags. Oh, here's a couple of them. Are the trash bags going to interfere a lot with this piece of junk? I don't know. We'll find out. bag. Oh, it'll be fine. Working like a dream. Scratch that. What did it do to my car? Yeah, it interacts a lot. Hey look, another piece of junk. Stay. No. Get back here. Get in. Get in there. Come on. Stay. Stay. There. Be a good piece of junk. Let's go deliver this before we have another freak out. Hey, there's another piece of junk. What? You're not supposed to be... This is not supposed to be running. Man, this is broken today. Let's go get our money, though. Go get some parts.
There you go.
192. We still need more. And some trash bags. One more, just for... Oh, you're coming with me. And wait, what? Can I move my cart? No. Okay, yes I can. I can actually see too. For now, sort of. Haha. Just... This is almost like, racing with an egg on a spoon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't want to drop it. Apparently I need more oil. This piece of junk is coming with me. I'll put more oil in it when we stop. At the junkyard. And I think I've seen another piece of junk right up here. Yes. That is also coming with me. Where it's gonna fit, nobody knows. Maybe it'll work there. I don't know if it's really gonna work, but I'll make it work somehow. Whoa! Okay, what was that? I broke something big! I can't turn my car off. I made quite the mess on the road. Can I flip this thing over? Whoa! Okay, we turned off the car. By some miracle.
Okay.
Oh, that's worth it. Okay, let's go get some parts. At least the car starts easily. Alright. We're back at the parts store, so let's grab these. We've got most of the parts here for the V8 engine. However, we'll be building this in the next video and putting that in the truck. And we will see how that performs. Hopefully it's good. I honestly don't know. And I hope that fixes the problem that we're having with this so we can drive this truck again. And then we can go do some mining. So, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.